This little book deserves a spot on your shelf, and here's why you and your little one will love it. It will take you on a journey through the farm, starting with the rooster and ending with the farmer saying goodnight to its animals. You and your little one will be introduced to different farm animals and the sounds they make. The pictures and all the illustrations in the book are very, very pretty. And you and your little one will want to come back and look at those pictures over and over again. This is a padded book, which makes it very sturdy and easy for little and big hands to hold, and no ripped pages. And on top of that, this book is not just a board book, it has a potential of becoming a keepsake because you can add here the name and the date of your little one. This little book brought memories back when I was working in the library and reading books in story times or helping kids find their favorite books. A quick disclaimer, I received this book free to read and I really enjoyed it.